Hi from the team at PeopleGen. Today we're going to explain to you why our home battery and virtual power plant business is the one you should invest in. Our potential customers experience low returns from small-scale solar systems if they don't self-consume their energy. Low solar feed-in tariffs mean that the payments received for sending energy from the household solar into the grid are generally less than half of what that household will pay to consume energy from the grid later on. Most affected will be buildings that have low energy use during daylight hours, such as those where their occupants are at work or school during the day. The return on investment will be low. Our MVP involves the following components: a simplified package of design, procurement and installation of a battery system tailored to customer needs, an affordable financing option to fund the battery purchase, and the option to connect the battery system into our company's virtual power plant, generating into the national electricity market to earn higher returns. Our company offers value to the customer by simplifying the complex process of battery selection and installation, removing the large financial barrier to acquiring a home battery, enabling them to consume their solar energy at a time of their choosing, allowing them to earn a much higher return as part of our virtual power plant, and offering an environmentally sustainable yet affordable lifestyle.
Our target customer segments include residential households, small medium businesses and local government entities. Households with existing PV systems can save money by storing energy generated in the day for use in the evening and night, whilst also making additional income by selling some power to a virtual power plant. The considerable roof space available with small medium businesses enables significant solar power storage and thus additional revenue and cost savings. Local governments can generate revenue for the community with a low operating cost as well as showcasing their environment credentials. We will adopt a variety of marketing techniques based on our target customer segment. To reach households, we will use conventional marketing techniques like print advertisement, referral discounts, radio and television, combined with digital social media advertising. Businesses will have additional resources like detailed in-person and online presentations, and we will conduct in-person sales meeting with local government council officials and will participate in any bidding processes that they may have.
Our revenue streams include recurring revenue from energy sold by the virtual power plant, transactional revenue from a one-off fee for battery system design, procurement and installation. Our key partners will include a network of battery system installers outside our home region and battery manufacturers like Tesla, Redback and others. We will source principal items such as the batteries themselves from the original equipment manufacturer, such as Tesla, BMC, Delta and Redback. The installation and supply of balance of system components will come from our team in our home region and a trusted network of installation companies and tradespeople in other areas.
We will use self-funding for the initial pitch resourcing. To progress further, crowdfunding and angel investors will be attracted for initial proof of concept, prototyping, trade fairs, marketing costs, and team expansion. Venture capital and additional angel investors will then be sought out to fund the MVP development and rollout. Once our MVP is in the market, we will turn to financial institutions for further business expansion and eventually go public by launching an IPO. This last step will give us the option of an exit strategy. We expect our MVP costs for year 1 to be approximately 2.6 million, followed by 1.1 million in year 2 and 3. After capital and financing, our key resource requirements include office space, warehousing and server locations, IT infrastructure for the virtual power plant and the business in general, additional personnel, and a base of plant and physical assets such as plant, vehicles and tools.
Our team comprises of highly capable and motivated professional engineers with industry experience across civil, renewable, electrical and software engineering. Our civil engineers, John and Yan Lai, provide knowledge of the market need and will manage compliance with fire safety regulations and structural requirements. Our electrical and renewable engineer, Dave, will be responsible for electrical system design, business operations, research and development, quality assurance, and ongoing technical repairs and upgrades. And finally, Saksham and Siram, our software engineers, will develop the advanced programs and algorithms for the virtual power plant system coordination and energy trading into the national electricity market. Our startup will require 3 additional roles: an accountant, a market and business development officer, and a project manager. These roles will be advertised on platforms such as Seek as well as through a startup recruiter. Outside of these roles, we will initially engage with the legal firm to advise us on regulation, tax and compliance. As we move into MVP rollout, we will look to hire an in-house general counsel. Our product is unique and guarantees greater returns for consumers of solar energy. We need your help to grow this idea into something remarkable.